In this video, you're going to learn how to create content for your Facebook ads, or you can even use the tool to be writing content that you can sell. You can use it to start an affiliate marketing. There are so many things you can do with these tools. If you want to join a freelancer platform, Fiverr.com, you can also join it if you learn how to use this tool very well. So I'll dive into the explanation. This is Chat GPT. That's what I'll be explaining today. And to register, you can just Google Chat GPT. So click on it. It will take you to the website. This is the website. Click on Try Chat GPT. After that, it will ask you to log in. It is because I've already logged in, that's why it's just logged my accounts in. But if you are visiting ChatGPT for the first time, it will ask you to register with Google, which you can do. If you have Google accounts, you just register. Or okay, that is just the normal way of registering to show open with, or do you want to continue with Google or with Facebook? You can click on any of the two, and then it will sign you in. Okay. If you want to use it, there are so many ways you can use it. If you send your question, the AI will respond to your question. Let's try that. Let me just ask, what is Chat GPT? So it will take some minutes or before it respond. Chat GPT is a large language model created by OpenAI and so on and so forth. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts or questions. It can be used for various natural language processing tasks such as text generation, text completion, question answering, and language translation. Its capabilities are constantly being improved through ongoing training and development. Okay, if you want to use this, I can ask, what are the benefits? The benefits of ChatGPT. So it will respond to my question. So I'll be explaining how we can use this to get our content. So it's showing the benefits: natural language processing, efficiency, flexibility, accessibility, and so on. Continuous learning. So, okay, let me now use this same thing for our Facebook ads. If you want to run a Facebook ads, you have your flyer design, but you don't have your content, because before you can get sales, you need a good content that can attract people. Okay, I'll just be using one one topic as an example. There are steps that you have to take. You can see I've outlined this down. The first one, you can just, it depends on the niche or what you want to write your content on. I'll first put, write me a blog using AI in Facebook ads. Let me just copy it in order not to waste time. I'll just do copy and paste. Paste it, then enter. Can you see it's writing? With over 2.7 billion active users, Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms and a prime advertising channel for businesses. By leveraging AI in Facebook ads, businesses can improve the effectiveness of their campaigns and so on. Let it finish so that I will scroll back so that you can be able to see what it has written so far. I can stop it if the what is writing is too much. I can just click on stop generating. So let me just go. So it's showing some ways AI is being used in Facebook has the way they can use it. Automated targeting, you can use it to target. It can analyze data from Facebook users' interface, including likes, comments, and shares to determine what they are interested in. This data is then used to create target audience for specific ads, increasing the likelihood and so on. Let me waste much time. You can also use it for personalization. You can use this for automated ad creation, dynamic ads, automated bidding, and so on. Now, I want to put my question. I want to go straight into the content that I'll be using for the ads. My question now is, what are the core response? What are the core reasons people have for not having a website? So the content I want to write about is on websites. So I'll just copy it, or I can say write problems people are facing for not having online presence. I can use one out of the two. Okay, let me just copy it and then paste it here. Paste, Control V. What are the core reasons people have for not having a website? Actually, there are several reasons why people may choose not to have a website. Here are some of the core reasons: cost, lack of technical expertise. So when it's finished, I'm going to ask the second question again. Let me copy the second question. What are the problems people are facing for not having online presence? Come on, see. So I'll allow it to finish. Okay, the core reasons: cost, lack of technical expertise, time constraints, social media presence, lack of perceived need. What you can do when it's generating the content, after when it's finished, you can copy it and paste it somewhere. So this is the second question now. What are the problems people are facing for not having online presence? What are the okay, problem is there already. So let me send it. It is because I have it copied somewhere. That's why I don't bother to copy it. So if you want to write something on, maybe you want to promote back pain products, or you want to write content on back pain products. So your question is going to be, what are the problems people are facing for having back pain? So it now lists all the problems they are facing. Okay, let me now read this. Not having an online presence can create several problems for individuals and businesses. Here are some of the main problems. Limited visibility. Without an online presence, it can be challenging to reach a broader audience. Decreased credibility, limited marketing opportunities, difficulty building relationships, limited sales channels. So I don't want to go into reading everything. In conclusion, not having an online presence can create several challenges for individuals and businesses. Limited visibility, decreased credibility, limited marketing opportunities, difficulty building relationship, and so on and so forth. So I want to break that down. I'll now just pick one out of all the list items. So I'll just ask you to create some headlines for just one out of everything it's mentioned. Let me copy this. That it should create an headline for. Let me paste it. So let me pick one out of all these problems for. Let me use this limited sales channel. Let me copy this. Copy, then paste. Create some headlines for a limited sales channels. So let me scroll up. Okay, limited sales channels holding you back. Here is what you need to know. Unlocking the power of e-commerce, why limited sales channels and so on. Maximizing your sales potential, overcoming limited sales channel. The impact of limited sales channels, you can use that as headlines. But if you want to use headline in Facebook ads, it has to be something smaller. So I can ask the AI to make it smaller. Let me copy it instead of typing it again. I just say make this suitable for Facebook ads. Let me copy it and I'll paste it because I want to use the content for Facebook ads and the headline for Facebook ads. Don't let limited sales channels hold you back. Expand your reach now. So the first thing is to make it suitable for Facebook ads. After that, we now, okay, it has finished. Unlock the power of e-commerce and boost your sales today. Are limited sales channels impacting your bottom line? Discover the solution here. Let me now paste the last one. Make this shorter. That is to make it smaller. So boost your sales today. I can use either boost your sales today or unlock the power of e-commerce, impacting your bottom line, discover the solution, and so on. Let's assume that I don't want to use these limited sales channels. I can decide to pick one. Let me put limited visibility. Then I'll ask it to expand or to write something on it. I'll just copy it. So it will expand sheets. Okay. Write something on this. So I'll just paste it on this, then paste. Enter. In today's fast-paced digital world, having an online presence has become essential for individuals and businesses. Without an online presence, the visibility of a business or individual is limited, making it challenging to create a broader audience. With the increasing popularity of search engines and social media platforms, people often search online to find businesses. So I'll just copy it and then use it for my content that I want to use. Can you see? If I use this and then add an amazing flyer with it, and I can just put one heading, one out of this, and my Facebook as content is ready. That is how to do that. Let's assume that, let me just copy it. To copy, you can just highlight it and then copy it, Command C, then paste it somewhere. Let me paste it somewhere. Okay. So let's assume that I don't want to use it for myself, that I don't want to use it for Facebook ads. You can also use it to render services on Fiverr. What you have to do, all you have to do is to have Fiverr account. You can register, just go to Google, search for Fiverr. Then this is it, fiverr.com. Let me search for content. If you want to register, you can click on join. So you have to follow the steps then to register. If you need content, you can. If you need profile, let me search for content writer. Let me click on it. Look at this. Services that people look for. Super work and delivery. This one said I will article writer. SEO blog writer. Maybe if you want to put I am article writer, SEO blog writer, website content. I will write content for your blog. Look at this one. This one is just writing content, $20. I will do SEO, article writing, website content and blog, $75. Imagine. I will write high quality SEO. Okay, this one is SEO. Let's leave SEO. We need content writing, only content writing. SEO is another course entirely. I write engaging content for your blog or website. Engaging content that you are going to use AI to write, say $100, and see number of people that review 230. I will write powerful and engaging website content 105. So there are so many. Let me search for Facebook content. You can even create. You can create your profile to suit Facebook content. Facebook content writer. So I will write ad content that converts $100. Imagine, see, with this skill, all you have to do is just to ask the person that what do you want to promote, or what is the topic or the area you want me to write the ad content for, and then you go to Chat GPT and then search the content and make your money. See, let's look for another one. I will write the best technical material and informal. I will write Facebook content in English or in Estonia, $10. I will write social media copy and content, $50. And I will be your social media content writer and so on, $200. So that is how you can make cool money using AI, Chat GPT, and the platform is free. With the free accounts, you can make a lot of money. Okay, you can, if you want to upgrade, you can click on upgrade to plus. But if you don't want to upgrade with the free one, you will make your money and then continue to render your services. All right, thanks. I hope you